Hey guys, EBPMAN here. One of the questions I get all the time is, what is the best headphone for travel, for a business professional that's great for phone calls? Well, this is my million-mile card from American Airlines. Yeah, I've traveled more than 1,000,000 miles on a plane. And these are my Bose 700s. Let me share with you why these are my pick for the business traveler.
Not a single grain of sand, I'm drifting on it. So cold.
Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why I've chosen the Bose 700 as my go-to headphones when I travel. I travel on a weekly basis. I'm on a plane. Well, I used to be on a plane before COVID, but when COVID is over, I'll be on a plane again. And the headphones that I take with me every single time are the Bose 700s. I do significant number of calls, and we're going to do a EBPMAN call quality test and share why I choose these over all the rest.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, the first reason I've chosen the Bose 700s as my travel headphones is how compact and easy they are to travel with. Look at how thin this case is. So typically when I travel on a plane, I have a backpack, right, and then my luggage. And everything is carry-on. I don't want to have anything stowed. Having a thin case is critical to me because I carry a laptop, I carry a tablet, and then I also carry some headphones. I don't have a lot of space. So having something that's this thin is really good. The other thing is that the cable, the cord management here, I love the little compartment that just slaps closed. I tuck the cables in there, I close it really quick, and I'm able to go. The fact that the headphones themselves collapse so nicely, so you can see how collapsed they are, and they fit in here really nicely, and that you don't take up any additional space, I love that as well. I do wear these sometimes when I'm getting on the plane, and so having them, it's really common to have them like this around your neck when you're going in. They're comfortable. They don't really have too much vicing where they're squeezing on your neck. So compact, thin case, easy to handle is the first reason I chose them. Now, from a noise canceling perspective, these do a great job. I'd say if I were to compare these to my Sony's, my XM3s, I still believe that Sony does a better job at active noise canceling. But my second reason isn't really active noise canceling, because I think they do good enough when it comes to active noise canceling. It's the fact that they multi-pair and multi-connect, and that is huge to me. So that means that I can wear these and have my phone connected and also have my tablet or my laptop connected at the same time. So as I'm working, my phone or the headphones switch seamlessly between my devices. And many times I'm stuck in the airport and I am either listening to music on my tablet or on my phone, and I may get an incoming phone call depending on what I'm watching, maybe even a movie, and these things switch automatically, seamlessly to that device where I'm getting that phone call. So that's the other reason why I've picked these. The multi-pair and multi-connect, the other headphones just don't have this. Now, the third reason why I've chosen the Bose 700s as my go-to headphones happens to be call quality. These things have amazing call quality. And we're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test next, where you're going to be able to hear exactly what I hear. I have to tell you that I can wear these walking through the airport, a noisy airport, and have a conference call without any problems. I can also be in a general office setting and wear these and have a phone call in where there's people sitting next to me having their own phone calls, and they do extremely well. So let's check out the call quality test. Now next we're going to test the Bose 700s in a quiet environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are really low. From 19 to 22 decibels. We're going to go ahead and switch. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Bose 700s in a quiet environment. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. Next, let's go into a noisy environment. Now we're going to do a call quality test of the Bose 700s in a noisy environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are a little bit higher, anywhere from 40 to 80 decibels in noise. What we're going to be doing is we're going to switch to the actual Bose. We're going to stay quiet to see how much of the noise is being canceled, and then we're going to go ahead and talk. Let's go ahead and do it. Now this is the call quality from the Bose 700 in a noisy environment. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, this is a test. This is what the Bose 700 sound like in a noisy environment. Let me know what you think about this call quality in the comment area below. Now the other great feature about the Bose 700s has to do with the battery life. We're talking about 20 hours of battery life. And if I happen to run out of power, which is very, very rare, just 15 minutes gives me 3.5 hours more of usage. Now the last piece we'll cover is audio quality. They do a decent job with audio. If I were to compare them to the Sonys though, my preference from an audio quality is going to be Sony. But what I'll do is I'll put these on, and let's go ahead and see how these sound. And you be the judge about the audio quality.
times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us.
So guys, that wraps up our revisiting of the Bose 700s and why I use these as my business travel headphones. Again, for every single flight. They have great call quality, they have good active noise canceling, and the audio isn't bad too. Let me know what you thought about this review in the comment area below.